So why the Gospel platform? We've got a real complex problem here in Worcestershire that's replicated across the country. Basically, we've got lots of partners, lots of agencies with data about residents and businesses in lots of different places. And we want to bring that together, that insight together, and we want to be able to then give that insight to frontline workers to make better decisions. In order to do that, we need to do that in a really secure way. So we need to give contextual, role-based access, and we believe that Gospel Platform is the platform to enable all of that to happen. So far, we've been trying to tackle this problem by doing it in lots of separate pieces. What this means is that we haven't got a platform to bring this all together and to do it in a lot more controlled way that's a lot more cost effective, so that we can actually enable the better use of data. What the Gospel platform does is allow us to get in consensus and trust between each of the agencies. What that means is that we'll be able to get a lot more data sets into the platform and to scale those data sets. Once we have that scale, that means that we can start putting artificial intelligence and machine learning into that platform. And by doing so, we'll better understand our residents and the interventions that we can make to make their lives better. So a sort of practical example of a problem that we'll be looking to solve on the Gospel platform is to bring in different device data from assistive technology, so that will monitor how people live in their own homes, and layer that on top of health information that we might hold at the GP or at the hospital. By combining all of these different data sets in a really secure way, we can then make sure that the resident is safeguarded in the way that they live their lives and keep them more independent. The innovation in the Gospel platform is great. What that's allowing us to do is ingest data from many different data sources. It doesn't matter what the source is. What we know is that that problem is replicated across the country. So the work that we're doing at the moment, we know will add value to the rest of the local authorities and central governments in the UK. One of the exciting things about the Gospel platform is that we can make it really easy for our users. What I mean by that is that we have this Gospel platform as a secure data layer, and that secure data layer gives the data to other applications that people already use in their daily lives, and does that in a context role-based on a strictly need-to-know basis. As we look to the future with the Gospel platform, we want to tackle a lot more complex challenges.